About a bad wreck on I-40 in Dixon County. Police say it was caused by a wrong-way driver. Happened around noon. We're told the driver of a box truck quickly realized he was going the wrong way on I-40 westbound. He drove through the emergency turnaround to correct himself and ended up getting rear-ended by a tractor-trailer that wouldn't stop. The box truck driver was transported to a local hospital with minor injuries. Crews will continue removing debris from the median over the weekend, and drivers should use caution.
All right, now we want to get to the closing arguments in the Erin Andrews trial. They have now wrapped up.
It will now go to a jury, but they will get a break before deciding whether a local hotel has to pay up. Jesse Knutson has been in the courtroom all day, and Jesse, the jury will have a couple of days before getting back to work, right?
That's correct, Vicki and Rory. They will have the weekend to let this all soak in before they begin their deliberations. Those will begin on Monday morning at 9 a.m., and that's when they'll work to decide a verdict.
And you all will always be known as Erin Andrews' jury. So let's look at those hotel standards and how miserably they were violated by the Nashville Marriott.
Counsel's trying to tie my clients to the criminal, but they had nothing to do with that guy. He is a criminal. He is on his own.
After attorneys from each side presented their final arguments, Erin Andrews walked out of the courtroom one last time. The next time she enters the courtroom will be when the verdict has been reached. Andrews' attorney argued today that this would have never happened if the hotel had taken the proper precautions in keeping Andrews' information secure and by having proper security at the hotel. On the other side, the defense argued that Andrews' legal team was trying to tie the hotel to Michael Barrett, the man convicted of stalking Erin Andrews. And they say he is the only one at fault, not the hotel.
Barrett couldn't have done it without the negligence of the Nashville Marriott. The repeated violations, one after another, of the standards that are there to protect us all and our families, our children.
Now the case is again with the jury. They will reconvene at 9 a.m. on Monday morning for deliberations, and it will be up to them to decide whether the hotel and the hotel's operator are liable for what happened to Miss Andrews, or whether that lies only on Michael Barrett. We'll bring you the latest as we get it, but for now we are live at the courthouse in downtown Nashville. Jesse Knutson, News Channel 5.